Hi there, college algebra students. Sorry I can't be in class on Tuesday. I hope this video suffices to kind of go over some review material and get better prepared for this unit. We're going to go into Pearson. I'm going to show you some things that your book has to offer and access the video that I would like you to watch today. So I'm going to go to my Pearson, mymathlab. However you usually log into Pearson will work just fine. So go ahead and sign in and get into your college algebra course. Mine, of course, looks different than yours because I have multiple courses. But once it opens, here we are. Once again, I'll have mine's different than yours. I have more tabs over here on the left. I have more instructor tabs, but you should have all of these upper tabs you should have access to. So this is the course home. You guys can use the study plan to practice extra questions. Homework is accessible here, gradebook, and so on. You might have used the e-text button to access the text for the course. And then down here is the multimedia library. The online textbook gives you access to videos that cover a multitude of example problems from the book. And I'd like you to go into chapter 6, which is our current chapter. So change your chapter to chapter 6 and go into 6.7, Systems of Inequalities. I'm going to go ahead and press select all so I can see what all I have available to me. So this is all of the digital resources that Pearson has available for chapter 6, section 6.7. Down here is a list of all the example problems, but I want to show you what it looks like in the book. So under multimedia textbook, click here, and it's going to open the textbook, but it's going to give us multimedia resources as well. So once it loads, I'll show you what I mean. So here's the textbook. It looks just like the e-text if you've been inside the e-text, but it has these little globes. So as you read through this, you're welcome to read, learn about these linear inequalities, but when you get to something like this, example 1, and they want you to graph this equation or this inequality, then off to the side they have a video covering example 1. So if you click on the globe, it's going to open up a nice video that walks you through how to do question 1. If you continue, you can watch this one. This one's over graphing a linear inequality. It's like more of a general one. And then this goes through how to do example 1. This button up here allows you to move to the next page. That's all example 1. And then there's video here that goes over example 2. So you can click here and a video will open that goes through example 2. Same thing for example 3. I want you to go through examples 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 4 is here, and example 5 down here. You do not need to do example 6. We will cover example 6 in class. It's a 3 inequalities, but I would like you to get through, and it's on page 451, get through example 5. Okay? So the examples here, it's difficult to read to try to figure out what they're doing, but the videos are very nice. They do a really good job of explaining and working through how to graph these linear inequalities. So that's your homework, is to go through these examples, record them. You are welcome to try out your homework from section 6.7, but keep in mind that we're only covering half of chapter 6.7 with these videos. If you are feeling like you have some extra time, feel free to keep moving forward with it and learning as much as you can, but this is all I'm kind of expecting you to get through on Tuesday. I hope you enjoy your day off, and I will see you on Thursday. Please email me or bring any questions that you have to class with you on Thursday, and I will be diligent in answering them. Thank you for watching, and see you on Thursday.